I'm serving rhymes like I'm serving rocks. Every time I get on the beat, this shit knock. Niggas tryna stop my shine, but I can't stop. Making hits every day, nigga, I never flop. I be having everybody waiting for my shit to drop. Everybody know I got them mixtapes on lock. I hold it down for my city and for my block. All I'm tryna do is grind and get to the top. But it ain't easy like giving head, it's for a bop. Making money hella honey, yeah, I'm on the clock. Making nigga pause and stamp like a stopwatch. Staying motivated, nigga tryna count block. Never fold, nigga standing solid as a rock. Keep my verses loaded like a fucking 40 Glock. I don't turn no gun, I know I keep a pistol cock. All my OGs around me do that pop lock. I don't care what you saying, fresh car off the lot. Cruising like a transformer, call me robot. My whole team run deep, we come in heavy flocks. Flooding up the neighborhood, we all in the spot. Get it in overtime like I'm cruising a yacht.
You niggas look all sad, I'm something I'm not.